Dumadagundong ang ingay ng SB19. Ito'y matapos nga na madagdagan na naman ang kanilang event. Grabe, paano pa nga ba isisiksik ang mga invitation? Anyway, ibinahagi na rin po ito ng GMA News Online matapos ngang i-announce kahapon ng SB19 ang kumpirmasyon na sila po ay magiging part ang first ever Filipino acts na mag-perform ng opening ceremonial ng baseball games sa White Sox game in Chicago. Sa nasabi nga pong update ng GMA 7, sinabi nilang SB19 is set to make history as the first Filipino group to throw the ceremonial first pitch at the Chicago White Sox versus New York Yankees game on July 29 at Wade Field in Chicago. The P-Pop Kings announced the news on Instagram along with their other engagements for the rest of July and August. Ibig sabihin, yung buong detalye po nila sa mga event na magaganap ngayon nga pong July and August ay nakalagay na po doon lahat. Nakalagay dito ang The Grammy Museum na gaganapin sa July 28, sa Lollapalooza naman ng July 30, I Was There Thanksgiving Fan Meet in the United States on August 8 and 9, Summer Sonic on August 14 and 15, and the I Was There Thanksgiving Fan Meet in Japan on August 18. SB19 joins the ranks of Filipino celebrities who have thrown ceremonial first pitches at Major League Baseball games, including Manny Pacquiao, Liza Soberano, and Jokoy. So, ang SB19 po ang kauna-unahang P-Pop group na magse-ceremonial nga po ngayong July 29, 2026 sa nasabi nga pong sikat na baseball game. Kaya naman bago pa man ang performance nila sa Lollapalooza ay libo-libong tao na nga po ang makakapanood sa SB19 dahil nga po sa special announcement na ito at mula po sa widely famed P-Pop icon SB19 teased a global promo tour special announcement. This announcement follows the recent reveal of an international events calendar which includes a performance at the Grammy Museum on July 28 and a set at the Lollapalooza Festival in Chicago on July 30. At sa pagitan po niyan ang July 29 ang nasabi nga pong ceremonial ng SB19 sa baseball games kung saan ay isa nga po sa sikat sa nasabing bansa. At yan ang ating Showbiz Now update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.